Gusto lang. Wait lang. Ay, ha? Sige, ikaw na lang.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rehan Nabuo, 19 years of young, recently taking up BS Information Technology from the PSITS organization. I am cute. Ano ka yun man?
Pala night out.
Cute.
Pala night out.
And cute. Thank you.
Ito na po, IT house. Sabi na po ng IT house.
Go Vice. Sabta Vice.
Actually, I think a course is, I must say, because of our mother, and also I think IT is
What
what
about
my, I have the potential of having, of course, that's it.